everyone. Welcome back to Takino English class.
Hey, great to see you all again. It's Jack here. Ready to learn some cool stuff?
Totally. I'm Mubina, and today we're sharing 20 easy and natural ways to say happy birthday and happy anniversary. No boring textbook stuff, promise.
Yeah, these are phrases native speakers actually say.
So, next time you want to say congrats, you'll sound much more natural than just happy birthday or happy anniversary.
All right, let's start with birthday wishes.
First, have a great one.
This means have a great day. It's very casual and friendly. Use it for friends, coworkers, or really anyone you meet.
It's like a quick, easy way to wish someone well without sounding too formal or serious.
Next, hope you have the best day ever.
This one's more excited and warm. You usually say it to people close to you, like family or good friends.
You're basically wishing them an amazing, fun day, something really special.
Third, hope your day's as amazing as you are.
That's a sweet compliment built right into the wish. You're telling someone they're awesome and you want their day to be just as great.
It works well with your best friends, your partner, or someone you really like.
Number 4, enjoy your special day.
This is polite and safe. You can say it to almost anyone, family, coworkers, even someone you don't know well.
It's a nice neutral way to recognize their birthday without being too casual or too formal.
Number 5, don't count the candles, just enjoy the glow.
This one's playful and gentle. You're saying, don't stress about your age, the candles, just enjoy the happy moment, the glow.
Perfect if you want to joke with someone who doesn't love talking about getting older.
Number 6, you're aging like a fine wine.
This means they're getting better with age, like good wine does. It's a fun compliment.
Usually said to adults who might appreciate the joke and the compliment.
Number 7, congrats on another trip around the sun.
This means they've completed another year of life, one full trip around the sun. It's trendy and sounds fresh.
I love this one for social media or cards. It's casual but clever.
Number 8, wishing you many more candles to blow.
Here you're wishing them lots more birthdays in the future. It's cheerful and hopeful.
Number 9, hope you get spoiled today.
You're hoping they're treated really well, maybe with gifts or extra attention.
Friendly, casual, and fun to say.
And number 10, celebrate big. You deserve it.
This means they should have a big, fun celebration because they've earned it or deserve to feel special.
Positive and motivating. Great for someone who's worked hard or just needs a bit of extra love.
Okay, now anniversaries. There are actually two main situations here.
Right. Sometimes you want to congratulate another couple, like your friends or family.
And other times, you're talking directly to your own partner to celebrate your relationship.
So first, let's learn some great ways to wish another couple a happy anniversary.
Here's one. Here's to another year of being great together.
This is like a toast, perfect for when you're raising a glass or writing a card. You're celebrating how well they've done as a couple.
Another good one is another year, another reason to celebrate.
It's simple and cheerful. Every year together is a reason to be happy.
Then you could say, wishing a perfect pair a perfect day.
That's a little poetic and sweet. It works well in messages or social media posts where you want to sound thoughtful.
If you've known the couple for a while, try, I always knew you two had something special.
It's warm and personal, showing you've believed in their love from the very beginning.
And a fun modern phrase is, you two are couple goals.
People say this a lot nowadays. It means the couple is inspiring or perfect in how they are together, the kind of couple others want to be like. Okay, now if you want to say something to your own partner on your anniversary, here are some good ones.
For example, I love you more and more every year.
Romantic and timeless. It means your love grows stronger every year.
Or a funny one, thanks for putting up with me for another year.
This is playful and shows you both have a sense of humor about the ups and downs in a relationship.
You can get sentimental with, "Here's to many more years and a million more memories."
Warm and hopeful, wishing for a long and happy future together.
Sometimes you want to look back and say, "I can't believe it's been X years already."
Great for reminiscing and appreciating all the time you've shared.
And finally, still my favorite person after all this time.
Romantic, heartfelt, and sweet. Saying your love hasn't faded at all.
So there you go. 10 birthday wishes and 10 anniversary wishes you can use right now in American English.
Whether it's your best friend, your partner, or even a coworker, you've got the perfect phrases for the moment.
Thanks for hanging out with us. If you liked this video, please hit the like button.
And subscribe to Talk English class for more fun lessons.
Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.